Hi folks, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In our video here, we're going to take a look at the sternum. The sternum is going to articulate with the clavicles and the ribs. We can see the cartilages that are going to articulate with some of our ribs here. These are known as costal cartilages. And when we look at the sternum here, we can divide it up into three sections. The top section is the manubrium. The next section is going to be the body. And then the bottom is going to be the xiphoid process. Remember, a process is going to be a projection or bump. That projection or bump inferior is the xiphoid process. We have articulation spots on either side for the clavicle. They're known as clavicular articulations, or sometimes we call it the clavicular notch. There's also a notch in the middle here, and this notch is known as the jugular notch. Sometimes it's called the suprasternal notch.